Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. I thought I would I've been really concentrating on short video lately. As you probably noticed, my long videos have kind of dried up because I've just been cranking out short videos. I thought I would just show you how I quickly edit a short video this is the same video I put on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you what tool I use and how I do it. Now I've already recorded the clips on my iPhone, and I've already airdropped them, which is the way that an Apple moves them from the phone to the computer. So if you're on a PC, you'd have to figure out how you get it onto your PC. But let's jump into it. So I'm using something called CapCut. As you can see on the screen, it's free. You get it. You can actually download it on your phone. You can do it on your phone. I've got fat fingers, so it's way easier for me to do on my screen. So let's get into it. Let me jump over to my thing here. My recording thing is in the way. Okay, so this is basically what CapCut looks like, guys. So I'm going to import media. You can either push the button and you can go find your media, downloads. These are the ones, I gotta look at this in a list. Okay, so these are the ones today. I'm just going to select all these and import them. Now they usually import them in from newest to oldest. So I know I recorded these in a sequence, so all I'm going to do is drag each of these onto the timeline. Hopefully you guys can see that. There's 3, 4, 5. These are just 2 and 3 second long clips, right? Like I just said, I record little clips because it makes a more interesting video than just recording one long clip. But some people like to record one long clip and then just cut it apart. I like to shoot little tiny clips. That's totally up to you. Now I've got this in here. What I usually do is I select all of them and I go over to the top here, if you can see it, and I bump the volume up about to an 8. Just because I've just found out that when I'm talking to my phone, I need to bump up the audio, and it's going to be different for you. So you just have to play with that. What you want to do is have a video playing on your computer, and then when you play this, just make sure that your sound is around the same volume, and then you'll know how much you have to bump up each video. So I just know that for me it's about 0.8. If I'm really excited, sometimes it's only 0.7 or it's 7 dBs, but I digress. Okay, so now we've got our clips in there. Now what we want to do is we want to clean these up because these are shorts, we want anything, I don't know if you can see this on the screen. I'll go right in here. Okay, so right here, see there's blank spot here. You can see the audio is below my video. So I'm just going to shorten that right there so that I start talking as soon as the video starts, and I'm going to shorten the end as well. And I'm going to go through all my clips, and I'm just going to do that. And you can just see if you said something. $100 a month. So I said something at the end of that one. There. This one looks like it ends there. So all I'm doing is making it so my edits are super fast. You can see when your mouth is open too if you're saying anything. I'm zoomed in quite far, so it looks like I'm removing a lot, but I'm just removing a few frames. And all I'm doing, guys, is I'm just grabbing the edge of the clip and dragging it to where the sound starts. You might not be able to see it on this video, but you'll see it when you start doing this. Like that. And we'll get this one here. Like literally, oh, there's a pop there. Let's see if I did something.
Want to work from.
That. Oh, let me get my volume up here.
To work from.
That's it. Oh, yeah. See, I went right there.
Work from.
That's it. You hear that sound? That's that little chunk there. So I'm going to remove that. So now.
From.
That's it. So now it doesn't go that. It doesn't pop. And that's it. So now, if you want to know the side hustle that I do that allowed me to quit my 9 to 5, just comment start or check out my profile. So that's the first thing I do. So super simple side hustles anybody can do. This one can earn you a cool $7,500 a month, and all you're going to be using is your knowledge and a keyboard. You're definitely going to want to save this video now. You ready to learn?
All right, we're going to pop over to studypool.com.
So now my clip is shortened. So I'm really good. I'm 35 seconds. You want to have every clip under a minute because if you want to use it on YouTube as a short, it's got to be under 60 seconds. So now I've done that. So now I'm going to come up to the top here. I'm going to choose text, and I'm going to just hit auto captions, and I'm going to create, and this will create an auto caption for me. All right, so there's my auto captions, and then I'm going to stylize it on this side. I'm going to choose white with a black outline. I'm going to pump it up to the font size to 11. So right here, oops, I'm going down. I'm going to pump it up to 11, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to put a shadow on it. So that's perfect like that. And then what you want to do is you want to run it.
Super simple side hustles anybody can do. This one can earn you a cool $7,500 a month. And all you're going to be using is your knowledge and a keyboard. You're definitely going to want to save this video now. You ready to learn? All right, we're going to...
So it thought I said I want to say this video, and I'm just going to change the word to save this video. So you want to make sure that
video now. You ready to learn? All right, we're going to...
I mean, I see a lot of videos where people don't correct their subtitles. That's totally up to you. You know, I like to have my subtitles correct, especially if there's a URL in there that someone wants to go back and find.
Pop over to studypool.com, and we're going to go over here and click this button, Become a Tutor. Now, earn money answering homework questions, earn up to $7,500 US monthly. You just want to hit that and apply today. They charge the lowest service fees, and it's full freedom and flexibility, so you can work from wherever you want to work from. That's it. Now, if you want to know the side hustle that I do that allowed me to quit my 9-to-5, just comment start or check out my profile.
So it all looks good. So all my subtitles look good. So that part's done. Now I'm going to go to the beginning, and I'm going to add my title. So I'm going to add my title because this is kind of like becoming my trademark a little bit. But you make whatever you want. So mine is another idiot-proof side hustle. All right. And like, if you guys want to copy this, it's fine, but it's good to kind of like copy it for a while until you kind of make it your own. And same thing, I'm going to do the white outline, and I'm going to put the a shadow on it. So then I just go copy, and I paste down here, and now I've got a copy of that, so I can drag it. Oops. If you ever do something, I don't know if you can see this. There's a little U back here, undo. Now you want to click on the. Come on, grab it. And I'm going to drag it down. Now I want to change this to up to 7,500 a month. And I'm going to change it to this pink color. I don't know why, but for some reason this pink just gets my videos lots of views. It may not work for you. It works for me. It's either this pink one or the green one. Actually, both of them. Maybe I'll do the green one. I did the pink one last night. So that's it right there. I grab this another idiot proof, and I scroll to the part where I say you want to save this now. You're definitely right here, and see where the timeline is. I can now just paste, which is Control V or Command V if you're on a Mac, right? Because I've copied this. I copied, and then where it is right now, I'm going to paste, and then it's pasted a text for me there, and I'm going to go remember. Oops, if I can write, remember to save now. Just something like that. Maybe I'll do this one to the yellow color, and I can change the font. Maybe I'll put it up to, and maybe I'll move this one up into the corner here. If you want to put some animation on it, you can put like a.
You definitely.
Kind of.
You definitely.
Remember to save now. There's a ton of animations in here, guys. This is the free version. This isn't the upgraded version. This is.
You definitely.
You've got all these.
You definitely.
So I throw the remember to save there, right? And then I'm going to take it, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go right to the end, where I'm talking about, because the main reason I'm making this video is to get people into my main offer. I'm just showing them a way to make money, and then I'm telling them that if they want to know what I do, what else at the end of this video. If you guys want to know what I do, then check out the link in the bottom or in the comment kind of thing. So this is going to be comment start, if I can write, comment start, or check out my profile. So the other thing that you want to be aware of, that when you're on shorts, you want to keep everything. You need to leave quite a big border, because it gets eaten up with the little icons to save, and at the bottom the description and stuff. So you want to have your captions up high enough and your stuff all squished into the screen as much as possible. So basically that's it, guys. So now
Just comment start or check out my profile.
oh, it's interesting too. So when you copy something that has animation, so watch, I didn't put the animation on my comment
That
start.
allowed me to quit my 9 to 5. Just comment start or check out my profile. Super simple side hustles anybody can do. This one can earn you a cool $7,500 a month. And all you're gonna be using is your knowledge and a keyboard. You're definitely gonna wanna save this video now. You ready to learn? All right, we're gonna pop over to studypool.com and we're gonna go over here and click this button, become a tutor. Now, earn money answering homework questions, earn up to $7,500 US monthly. You just wanna hit that and apply today. They charge the lowest service fees, and it's full freedom and flexibility, so you can work from wherever you want to work from. That's it. Now, if you want to know the side hustle that I do that allowed me to quit my 9 to 5, just comment start or check out my profile.
So there you go, guys. Now all I need to do is hit the green button up here. I hit export. All right, I export it. I'm not signed in. You can sign in TikTok and you could actually upload it straight to TikTok, but I'm not doing that. I'm not signed in. So then I go open the folder where it is, and then I go share. I make sure my phone is on, and because I'm on an iPhone and a Mac, I just go AirDrop, and I can send it right to my phone. And now it's going to be right on my phone. That's it. Done. Finish. Oops. I don't want to finish the recording. And I'm just going to cancel that. So that's it. All right. Now, the trick is when you're in, so it took me 12 minutes to do that, guys. And that's me yakking over it. Usually it takes me literally, it's about 5 to 7 minutes to do that. And then you're going to put it onto your phone, and then you're going to upload it. Now, what I do is I upload it to TikTok, and I use the sounds in TikTok. Okay, so I will upload it into TikTok, and then I'll find my sign. And then in TikTok itself on your phone, there's a little, in the top right corner, there's a little arrow pointing down. That means you can download that video prior to getting that TikTok watermark. So you can download it, and then you have the video with the sound in it now on your phone. So now you have something that's completely finished with sound that you can then take that over to IG. It doesn't have the TikTok logo. You can take it over to YouTube. It doesn't have a TikTok logo. So two things to be careful. I don't know what TikTok's algorithm is. Sometimes I say gets my video banned. I have no ideas. I'm on my third video. Instagram and YouTube, I don't get any strikes. I can say whatever I want on there. So I don't know what it is with TikTok. For some reason, there's a lot of, by saying like check out my program, I think they sometimes think that you're phishing or this kind of thing, like, you know, online phishing, or frauds and scams kind of thing, even though you're promoting a totally legitimate learning course. They still think it's a fraud or scam kind of thing. So that's the one thing about TikTok. The other thing is when you pick that music that you're going to use on TikTok, because you have two versions, right? You have the version that you loaded up to TikTok that doesn't have sound, and you have one that does have sound. When you go over to YouTube, upload it. When you go I do a test. I go add sound, and I want to make sure the sound, if it's not like a TikTok sound effect, or like a goofy version, I want to make sure that, like, if I'm using a song, I want to make sure that the song is in that YouTube library to use, or else you may get a copyright strike. So you want to make sure that whatever sound that you put on your video is also in the YouTube library, so that when you upload a short, they give you a list of songs that are they deem usable for shorts. So that's it, guys. Like, that is how quick. It's about 7 minutes to do, and to shoot it, like, it was literally, I shot these in sequence. I think I deleted maybe two. Yeah, at first it took me a lot longer, but I literally just shot these in the time that it took. So in, 35 seconds, let's add 3 to 5 seconds between each shot. Then it's less than a minute of recording. Like, that's how quick it is. So let's go all in. Let's go really generous. It took me 10 minutes. That's including uploading to TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, which I'm about to do. All right, that's it, guys. Super simple. If you have any questions, comment below. If you want to know what my number one side hustle is, and you want to come and join me, because we are kicking ass right now. We are the best program by far. There's people becoming multimillionaires in less than a year. So if that's something you're interested in doing, we have a great community. Check out the link below. Join us. Go through. Don't quit. The only people that fail are the ones that quit. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.